Yeah, hello. Good morning, everyone. So, in the previous session, I have created a purchase order. So, as we know that you need to confirm the purchase order from the purchase tab. This is you can call as the uh, header level purchase tab, the manage, receive, invoice. These we have a different purpose. So on the purchase order, you need to confirm the purchase order. There is a generate and action. There was a question mark from the different users. Why there is a generate in the two navigations and action and confirm generate? When you click on the generate confirmation, it will give you the pop-up window. There you can select the options if it is required, generating of the report or something else. But if you go back to the actions, if you confirm it, it doesn't give you the report. You need to generate a report from the journals. Okay. So once you confirm it, this is the first step. It has been completed. Then next step is the registration. And the registration is not mandatory step based upon the setup from the item model group. For every item, there is an item model group and item group. So in the item model group, if there is a registration is mandatory, then you need to do it. And also, if you without if there is a mandatory, you cannot skip the such a process. And also some of the items are with a storage diamond site, warehouse locations also. In that case, if you are going to do the registration, the system will automatically will ask you to enter the location. Otherwise, you can enter the location here. Okay. So once you confirm to do the registration, you need to go back to the update lines and click on the registration. This is the one way. And also if you go to the receive, if you click on the product receipt, so if you click on the product receipt, there is an update line. You can go back in the two ways. It is up to you. Okay. So I will click on the registration. Registration is nothing but when the when the item arrives into the warehouse, you are just registering of these details into your computer. It's still you are not at all received completely of the item into your warehouse. Just you are registering those item details at which location, at which area you wanted to put those details. You are just registering of those details. To register it, you need to click on the add registration lines and you need to confirm the registration. Whenever you confirm the registration, the indication is that you have already successfully registered. Still, in this scenario, there is a partial registrations also. For example, you have ordered 10 items, but you are receiving only the 5 items. That is also the scenario. But currently now I am showing you we are receiving the full inventory. Okay. Just click on the confirm registration. So registration has been confirmed. The receipt status will change from ordered to registered. Okay. And here still it will the order status will not change. And also one more, the main point is here the ordered quantity you need to enter the product receipt number because whenever the supplier or vendor is sending the material to your warehouse location, he will give the some number. Let assume that eh, from for his business point of view, that is the sales order. Okay, our point of view it is the purchase order. So he will give the some number. You need to enter that number. I will try to use the same number which we have. Okay. Once you enter, just click on the OK. System will take the few minutes, maybe less than 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then, based upon the performance of the computer and performance of the system, so the status of this purchase order will change from the confirmed to received because the once the product receipt is completed, the indication is that you have already successfully received the material into warehouse. Okay. So the product receipt has been completed successfully. So you need to click on the product receipt to generate a report or to see what we have received. Some of them they may still keep this receipt journals for the business process. Okay. So this is the product receipt and the internal product receipt number, IPR, packing slip number. You call it as a packing slip number in from business point of view. This is the quantity, ordered quantity, received quantity, remaining quantity is zero. So this is the internal report. Okay. So now once you complete the product receipt, the next step is the invoice. This is really not required for the supply chain management consultant, but keeping the understanding or keeping in mind that to know or to expand your knowledge, you need to know the how to do the invoice also. Oh, the system is taking longer time because it is a new system. Whenever you try to open the new thing, the system has to load everything in the background. There are multiple things. Okay, so you are trying to generate a new system. So here I'm trying to perform the uh, match product receipt and update match status like two-way match, three-way match. We have just I'm not completely sure what is the setup in the background, and also the invoice number is mandatory. INV. I'm entering the some number test. I will click on the post. If there is any wrong setup in this process, the system will throw you the error message. But let's see what is going to happen, whether it will going to post the successfully the purchase order or it will throw any error message. We can validate it. Okay. So invoice has been successfully posted. So if you want to see your invoice, you can go back and you can click on the preview print. See, the invoice has been completed. So it's really not required for us. As a functional consultant, you need to know, but as an end user, it doesn't matter for you to do the invoice because the account payable team, the finance team, they're going to handle the invoice process. Okay, thank you.